everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachita, and today I'm going to talk about the essentials and the most important travel buddies which you can carry in your bag. So, not wasting a lot of time, I must start with it. So, I must tell you these important things are basically, it depends what you really want to carry, but generally, through my experience, I'm telling you what is important. So, let's get started. Okay, so for me, the most important thing when I travel is this power bank, and I really feel this is very important. And make sure you do not forget the cord because it is very important, otherwise, it's useless. And make sure your power bank is fully charged so it can actually back up your phone, otherwise, it will be a waste. The second thing which I carry in my bag is a pair of glares, which is very important when you travel out because it protects you from the sun rays and also enhances your look, I must say. So, the other thing which I always ask everyone to carry is a sanitizer. This is not the need of the time right now, but generally also you should carry a sanitizer because you won't be running here and there to see where you can wash your hands. So it is very important to carry your own sanitizer to sanitize your hand before eating anything. And when are we talking about eating, so I would also recommend if you can carry a tumbler or a very light weighted bottle with you, because you know what happens is outside stations, you know when you go for sightseeing or when you travel just like that, you need water with you because at times you don't find water, and at times it's very expensive outside. If you compare, you'll be like, oh my god, it's really expensive. So if you find any dispenser around, you can just kind of refill your bottle and you're good to go. So yeah, that's a quite important thing for me. And the other thing would be dry fruits. I prefer to munch on nuts, but if you don't like it, you can carry a biscuit or anything which you really like to munch on. So yeah, that's very important. And apart from that, I usually try to carry currencies, but unforeseens are there when you actually get short of currencies because you really want to buy and shop as much as you can, shop till raw. So then what you can do is you can actually carry these cards. It could be a debit card and a credit card, but make sure before using your card you take some information about that station, whether these stations are okay to use, because in some of the countries they kind of interfere with your debit cards and credit cards. They kind of take your details and things are happening actually. So make sure you go with full information wherever you go, and yeah, you are well versed with that. Another important thing which I like to carry when I travel solo, generally I travel solo, is these earphones. Or if you have your AirPods, obviously you can carry them, because for solo traveler it is most important kind of to keep yourself busy and always lively. But if you're traveling with family, I don't think so you need them. uh, Another thing, in today's time when everything is so everything is so handy in your cell phone, but you never know, there is some technical glitch or any other thing can happen to your cell phone. So make sure you have a handout of not the handout but hard copy of the map of that particular place, which you can easily get it from the hotel, from the reception, or you can also take it from the airport. It becomes quite easy, to be very honest. You should always go safe when you're traveling outside. Another important thing which is coming out of my bag is an ID card. So this is an alternative for a passport because it is inadvisable, or I would never recommend you to take your passport out of the hotel room, because you never know, you might lose it, and at the end of the day it's the most important document when you're traveling outside. So yeah, so you can always carry an ID card. I hope when you get into trouble, even this ID card is not confiscated. Otherwise, God knows. Best of luck. And since I am so obsessed with my looks, I would also recommend all the girls over there that you really can carry a compact brush like this to kind of brush your hair and It gives you a fresh look, and it just makes you perfect for the pictures. So yes guys, this was the only essential things which I prefer to carry in my bag, and I hope this information was quite informative for all of you and you like this session, and I hope you will also kind of follow this. So yeah, bye. Thank you.